Somebody says, can you give me an example of what projecting and reflecting is?
Ah, that's very good. You know what your problem is? You always, you sometimes, you never. I'm projecting my attitude onto you. I'm projecting onto you. Reflecting is, oh, really? You feel that way? Why are you so angry? Do you feel insecure? So I'm reflecting back. I'm receiving whatever you're putting out, and I'm reflecting it back to you. So you get to know what that feels like. So in any conversation and any communication with people, come here, I need to tell you something. You know, last week when you did, that wasn't right because, so you're projecting, that person is projecting their opinion, their feeling about something that you did or said. That's what a projection is. A reflection is when like, oh, I'm sorry you feel that way, John. Please allow me to ask forgiveness. I didn't mean to offend you that way. So you're reflecting back the message they're sending. So that's projection and reflection. I hope that's clarifying for you.
It's like reflecting, looking in the mirror, projecting, broadcasting it out.
It's broadcasting, right.
Right.